what and right say, dear the first say, I have to for him no one first say. You say, oh, so Bejiga now, I found say, BB na, intina, Anna Captain Smart. I mean, some children. I mean, what's a video trend? I am the power, maybe trendy and ampe. And it is rubbish to me. Be honest with you. What's the one I said, Biba with Trimuna won't tear here. You don't talk by heart. As a people are just talking rubbish.
And finally, also known as a form, Captain Koja Smart, Efa Igbo man here, just a way pay Ghana no more. Boy, no who are Hene force and who are Ghana force over by my here, your poor Ghana's as reason. Answer issue by that Captain Smart, it will because Papa, what Captain Smart or Hene ever Ghana. It I can afford as a captain, but I bet Castle, Captain Solly, Captain Bacasabi, because all your Hene, Igwe, as a Igwe Queno, Quezueno, Igwe, Brabecca Sabi. Captain Abba Wantene, I feel also Becassa. The Captain Casayano, my Casa Keke, or boy heat. Captain Abaga Canadian, actually got a voice of Yenya Jimeno. Captain C. Yenya Jimeno, Yenya, de Hununa and Nkwaseafuo Yakano. I Penyah Media. Must was any name. Over like video, no other remote subscribe button, verification according to latest update. Now, Bachelor Wagon, their mamma, our comments, Mr. Russell Baswa. No, she be known for any be accurate. Any idea air trend our Ghana, the alleged Igbo King in Ghana. Let me use the word alleged Igbo King. Move on to Matisse and Mosemina King, but my means the alleged Igbo King in Ghana. I an issue by I've been giving you updates back to back on this same issue and my children how I pay in you know, we'll see any tactics, any tactics near a year or use to a woman, how we'll see a BT Ghana, a handful no. Just say, well, you should now do you should mastermind on them. Or be two woman cassa will be two woman. Now, as semi buyer no. Now, Captain Smart, Eddie Ewumbi, only Empress gift because 2022, Anna Papa Eddie Campbell Empress gift as a sub chief under him. Anna 2023, about Captain Smart, or Hene just a 2023 and Captain Penyah Dini, Igwe Queen, Quezueno, Igwe Captain Smart, Penyah that title, no 2023. Captain Smart. They are bringing my. I'll go media person. Yeah. They can dance. Let's support that first.
This song was supposed to be
Emma from there, even Omu Yam Festival that Omu Yano, na Captain Spot, Edimunt into my own a dear Nimu Yabia. Come.
Papa, Yami and Shroud, Sawaba
You don't have the procedure of doing things. Our brochure is here going around.
Thank you.
What I say? Ain't it as me by Ghana for be fire captain. Hey, captain. Then I would krum. Now, ho what trouble and timpurum, ho would be a bequai. Ho fin baby. I bet you him ye krum, ball subchi. Say, who ye Igbo need a bay. Captain Smart the Igbo mind. Who ye Igbo need a bay. It's with a montrance attack any heat no. A big or captain head. You didn't ever fire Captain Smart. For. Obia fire captain, captain. Brabon train the Becasebi. Becasebi already. Who will be? Who will be? Emma and rock from your video call. We can say, oh, as a bossy you deported. Igbo King no Amanaka. I was a deported Captain Smart Eka. I was a deported Captain Smart the Captain Smart were two back or Igbo knee by force or your Henry Claudia de Bani. Into the bossy a pump Igbo Nia. I was a Captain Smart, it's in a China or no. It's a train somewhere Captain Smart Wantinia or Becca. Na Carcom, Yajiko Kuan was your and pay. Anna on your TV Captain Smart a baby show. Now the soon all yard any over to see. Igbo Kings and air course anyone in the year both dinner table media and so I can Captain Smart be address and the address no. Captain Smart says, Sebi, Yenya Jimino, say everybody day I can adventure no, as him seen anymore, Yemusemo, not Sebi, Yenya Jimino.
What and Ryan say, Dear, the first say, I have to for him no one first say. Yes, so Bejiga now, I found a BBB na intina, Anna Captain Smart. I mean, Casa Muchramu, and get 2025. The woman may catch her 2023. But when we say video ni trend, me the pa, me trend and I'm pay. Keep sharing. I mean, share the link. Mumpianko. Me trend and me pay.
Because you say issue me yanka for now men can ho asem pa cho.
Oh, that me can want me show mo baby a video ni fi ba 2023. So let it end there. I mean, and it is rubbish to me. Be honest with you. What's the one I said bibi ba utiri mu na won ti ase a, you don't talk by heart. As the people are just talking rubbish about that issue. And minim the other echo, Musa social media, I'm not interested. I believe in the traditional media. Eti one papa is sending me Honorable Sam George and statements issued by a lot of people. I say papa say we are caught as you said then. In any case,
Kingdom.
I promise him for us will be on to assassin 50 cases. So you don't to. But I just want to tell you that you know. And 2023. So please shut up if you don't know. And come on, get number 2. And see, I saw for the National Cathedral. No. Where they need your question. Imagine any Juma na say. I am not one more hallucinating. I'm person busao. Maybe you might think that the captain it is too early and the words you are using are too strong. But let me tell you. So what do you say? Oh, Kasana no ordained to do. Captain Wedi I no ordained to do. I no ordained to do. $58 million. I know nothing. Ewa. I saw for that cathedral. So what do you need to do? Now say where question.
Ha. Mama starting to say. Quotation wa Bible nemo. Or say enye de wanyi ni bebre eni ni munyansa. Nkwaseafuo ni. Excuse me of my language because Captain Pat all kasa otisi asofo ne so no okeka nkwase asem asofo ne ka say ebi mu ni adwena na omuni munyansa na okeka na tire nyame asofo Captain Pat edi umatem allow me to flow. Nkwaseafuo ni ne is about time ho. Ye won Nkwaseafuo bo Ghana asase we so a e wo se ye force di nyansa se ewura wo mutiri nyansa ye force party wo mutina se edi nyansa ewura wo mutiri history repeating ho wa me fa nkwa chiri kakra Ghana fo ho se bukom goto yan se mo bo mpa ya eya mu nyame ase eso de asantefo ebedua mu e wo Ghana mu nyame ase pa se nyame de asantefo ebedua mu Ghana sanka Ghana anka hoho de bedi mu so ka hoho I am telling you anka hoho e de bedi mu so eye jimi bi se ye jimi se ye na 1844 the omo the coastal areas no Elmina side the whole Cape Coast one money are crying and but omo empono ho no 1844 omo ka omo hu bo mu sign agreement part that is the bond of 1844 for me that British colony emo broni di wo mu so 1844 that time na asantefo ya bubroni apam na tu na se da ya kumbroni fita atwaniti apam wo mu firi ya memu firi asantememu da ya so jimi so na ya tubron fita se da but na omo akra ne mpotomu na ene kwasia we firi Nigeria ba ejim ho no akra fo ni se defend no na omo edomuti akohye bruni ase bruni ni wo mu so ba na asantefo issue ba ye ohe omo mani omo agire mu a opa check media na so blogger bia na ni abre attack a eye asantefo na o se blogger bia ni abre fire wo issue hu a call for justice say yam pam Igbo for Nkwaseafuo ya na ya asantini blogger hwenkranfo no o ngotena TV so mu kasa hwese o mu kasa Jimmy no doso Jimmy yatiga na heye 2009 kofo edina nyadidie ebe wiye kofo sinifie ewa Accra gadangwefo kanse kofo sinifie no pa ontu fie no fa nkokuma se fa nkɔ ne kuru mu hia no kofo mu a that time no wadi ade ewie 7 January 2009 na kofo edina didie aba wiye as Ghana president o sinifie wa Accra mu si mu hia no Kofo ya ye die mo kofo musi mu hia no 2009 mo pamo kofo kan no so that eze mu hia no akra hoho aba me hu se gamanche ene nananom awmo akra ede communicate aba bontre mo che se Igbo King no de now no mo the ban up to so mo ma no opeti dem ni ade but too late nananom ene dem too late every say akwa we interview ba kwa mehwe o kire mu se ansa na obebo man hene no obebo man hene ewo ekuro bi mu no oba na nanom na ase ebeji tumi obebusa mo permission ansa na obebo na man hene.
Only me cannot see to everybody. So we'll portion these different areas where people are. Before we do this, we'll go to the paramountcy of that area to let them know what we want to do, ask them for the traditional rites we should do for them, we'll do it, and they will also induct our people that will count over there in his kingdom, and we'll also perform our traditional rites as Igbo people. They do that before we do ours. That shows that the owners of the land has welcomed you to be a foreign chief in their land.
Enti na wo ya sa de we nyina no enti na mu hu se mo se wonye ohene a ene se nananom oba mo na yase na eden no ka kire mu nti a na mo ma ne kwan se kobo man hene because me no ka se o wa sha man hene do me kobenya o man hene wo central region o man hene fa no di man hene aflawo o man hene o man hene aman hene mako duba ko 11 wo chief of staff wo special advisor that is obi owu nyina ehyenase enti na oba na oka asembe na oka kire mu ntia na nanom na moma ne kwan se ene ye nyutu so yo hene ba de kobo man hene sese oka ne se ne kire na nanom na oka ne se pa na kire mu ntia moma ne permission se kona kobo man hene sese eni ba mu hu ni se mo se mo nyini ntu so yo hene a se mo nyini ntu so yo hene a oba mo na yase a na oka asembe na kire mu ntia na mo jitu e ma ne kwan ese onkobo man hene wo ma mu kuru eji asen ba zen ka kumadefo no ya mfa ya no ntuma be kase bia anka mo hwe ni din no ye de oye ara se kumadefo ya memu a anka mo hwe ni din ana wo jimi ne ho akra ho ana mo hwe ni din na obi ade ya mfa ho mo ya ya mfa ho za later no go bi di mo so said ye 1844 ma mo di mo ko pan brand fida so di mo so sa na bi na nke besie asma me kan ho gadangwe ni bi abedin ko ye kore kwatie no
yɛde ane mu akafo yɛda mo ase nyame hyira mu ani dede a mo yɛde afa this so called the Igbo chief was a king hu na emom nukre wo mini sɛ yɛsere mu a mema mo fa yɛn compare na na otumfo because yɛn no king no yɛ ni bi na sɛ yɛ nyame yɛ adoma yɛnya king yi bi papa fɛfɛfɛ yɛ yɛde boy hu safo hini no Mati said, Obi ka di court di ni sa tusu se court di injunction atusu. Iti no problem ba kwa ye face no. Nemo nukre wo mini say. Ye no niama bi say no ya hu odin nu ho e. Bebia ya hu odin wo pa asasi sem ani ahinie sem say ye twi asasi hu manson e wo court. Ana say yan ko twi ahinie hu manson e wo court no. E ho na yen Ghana dangbe ya hu odin wo wo de opa court ahodo na ko hwe say insem e fa Ghana dangbe hu no e mu be 99.99% ahini sem any ye fa asasi sem e ho na ya hu odin wo pa wo de opa bisa na no tumfo say omoba National House of Chief ye can is a meeting sir insem ban ene ya no mudiba ye ni won a mu wo sa esoro ho na omu dan ye noti dan na grass gusu no a mu gu awia mu ho no no a kakra obehwe no matwa gya to wo mu fie mu no ma chichichi wo mu fie no ma kunkunkun wo hu no ye ni wo mu no ye mienu we no ye de niama bi se ne ye ni gi hu ye ni gi hu asasi sem ni mansun sem ba niama bi se ebeboa ye man ni de ye land ni de ye ni gi hu na nukwe bakuso esa wo mu ni se da bia NDC beba power no ye ga dangbe ya sase no yempa bium se NDC beton ga dangbe sase nyina kra na the whole greater kra na ese NDC the power no yempa bium na sa asemu esi sa Igbo asemu say NPP the power
aka ho na wobeti nkran akese be wo Kenya ka mene me julonji ame ye ka vote ha me ye ka dabi banye na ye na ka be na me ho wo shikpo fe na me telefe ka ha Nigeria biye be na ehwafi o aba ho show bona gamenye ti ahye ni gashikpo ga manoni afite kusum afite onye somi ni afite ho na wobeti nkran akese o mekika ba essence ADC ne wo power nsin obi aka na no atom eno maye din etinu sa na eche ye ga adangbe na kasa no niama bi se no ye ni ije hu
ene da ho no Ghana musorom si Kumasi na ye asanefo na Ghana fo abonzan fo ba asanefo jimi we entim go so asantime mu mi do nyame enkotu fo kra me emeka saye no wuni bako wa na nka bedwane ya no kra betu ya no keke ye ma ofi ya no betu keke pressure be ma no wa ya no kra keke be pamo ya no onza se ba ye dia no tum on the Ghana aye de dwa asanefo mokom ko to dwa mo mpa ye nhira ye ne ye fight ma Ghana eni obi ye ne ye pe Ghana se Ghana begina ye mfa ye ma Ghana me da ne amanfo man ye ne ye do Ghana mo mpa ye ma ye mo mpa ma asanefo we ba ya kire mo amumohu omo do Ghana mo mta Ghana mo sole amu di asanefo atam ai issue ba ye mo tetiwe ho ai se bola suja ena ehihye wa akra ana mo te ho so mo do so etan so amona be bon mo do so tan so abeda ni tui e wa akra ho edike ya mamu a ka mo hwe no na wo jimi ne ho akra na wo jimi ne ho ni Nkwase ahini ka hu ahini kan na wo jimi no akra ho parade himself as a king enipa nya botre according to interview why village why we etina na no de mo kan de yati ase but twaye ana say in the first place twaye because amusi bu nyine ndu ze wo yo hene a esi mu say na mo ma ne kwan se wo mo man hene e wo ho that is where my problem is mo nyine ndu ze wo yo hene na oba mo na ase a na obeka nsem be na kire mo ntina mo gitum se okay ya man kwan ko na ko ba wo man hene na o kan se na kire na obeka nsem be na kire mo sika ana na dey na o ka kire mo a na mo ma ne kwan se na ko bo man hene sese obi a onye hoho o wo asase so ai peja hinde e bo man hene mo se mu hu se wo yo hene how ba ye kwara se ba eti kati ko yes matter de onye ejimi no nsu anyansa kati spot ja ejimi no masa ja ejimi no issue we ya mo bi mfa me ahye media group ya mo bi kwan mo ne fa ase media group be ka Nkwaseade o udi Nkwaseade so ye be esi Ghana ha no untimi tino ma ni issue we na ekos no udi Nkwaseade mo ho a wa so sere be si ayesle pressure be ma wo no because de ekos no ye ntena ho no mo ma de 1844 ma mo kan bo ma broni be di mo so akra ho no mo ye nso so ejimi no so ye nso so di etwam ejidi ekos no ebia jimi se ye enketenkete se ye na mo kan bo ma 1844 broni be da mo be di mo so se ye na start ye se ye ana broni enti akwa de oye wato mu nyina atuaka wato mu nyina odisika ato mu nyina eti do ye mo hwe ni de ana wo jimi no akra na mo hwe no ye nso jimi no so bi captain aso be kan yi oda suya nyansa na se be keka hofo we o first attempt obeka Nkwaseade oda dwene ho de se abrepe tradwe mame e wo comment section ai Penyah Media